It's not just pushing snow around. It's doing whatever necessary to avoid deja vu. That's a replay of another delay at the mass vaccination site.
We're here to try to create a safe environment for the 70 and older group.
Steve Hensley is director of the Kenton County EMA and Homeland Security, but today he's added a title. He's a snowplow driver determined to get the site open on schedule.
Tomorrow will be a big day because tomorrow, in addition to the normal schedule, is the makeup day for all the cancellations that occurred the first day as a result of the large snowfall that we had last week.
Also in high gear, St. Elizabeth. Those getting vaccinated didn't expect to have to overcome nature to do it.
This has been an experience, especially since the snow has been so heavy this year.
The snow caused 2 half-day cancellations, so those appointments were moved to make a full-day Saturday.
We have pivoted just as needed with the snow to make sure that we continue to vaccinate when and if at all possible, while keeping our patients and our staff safe.
Susie Francis is St. Elizabeth manager of ambulatory pharmacy. She and her team here have been working long hours and extra days for weeks on end to keep pace, but she says they have to because this is more than a vaccine.
This is a shot of hope, right? So we cannot grow weary about this. When it's everybody's turn, everybody is just excited as the very first shot we gave 3 months ago.
So despite the accumulation, the measure of dedication is deeper than any snowfall.
Yeah, so what they're doing out here at the Northern Kentucky Convention Center is they're vaccinating Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Now, last week they had to cancel Thursday, so they pushed all of those till tomorrow. So they really didn't want to have to cancel tomorrow, so they're doing everything they can, and they will be open tomorrow. Reporting live, Brian Hemrick, WLWT News 5.
Now, Brian, you mentioned in your story that Steve Hensley, who is the EMA and Homeland Security Director, a fairly important job, is out driving the snowplow. How did that happen?
Yeah, well, so everyone is caught up that normally does that job. They're out on the roads, and they've been out for the last couple of days. So they were loaned a truck by Fort Mitchell, and Steve, this isn't his first rodeo, so it's all hands on deck. He's out here driving the snowplow to try and make sure this is open. Did a pretty good job,
Yeah.
Stephen.
Yes, he did. Glad to see the extra help. Brian Hamrick live for us tonight in Covington, hoping the deja vu does not happen again at that mass vaccination site. Brian, thank you so much.